Hey beautiful, it's your girl Deja K and welcome back to my channel. Today this video is all about maintaining and caring for your faux locks. I know us ladies spend a pretty penny on our faux locks and we want to keep them looking nice for as long as possible. And not only that, but this is a protective style, so you also want to make sure that you're nourishing and caring for your natural hair in the process. I've had these for about 3 weeks now and they still look bomb. They look so good. I've been getting so many compliments on this hairstyle, and it took me forever to do this hairstyle. So I said, I'm gonna be keeping these for a little minute, okay? So I amped up my maintenance routine to ensure that they'll last me a while. And I'm here to share them with you guys, because you know I gotta keep my sisters in the loop. I gotta put y'all on. So let's get right into it. Moisturizing is a very important step for maintaining protective styles. But before I douse my hair with any product, I like to steam my scalp with a hot rag. This stimulates my hair follicles and allows the products to seep deeper into my roots. I also spray my hair with warm water before I apply my leave-in conditioner. I like to use the Thank God It's Natural Super Moisturizing Conditioner for my protective styles because it really keeps my hair from itching so much and it assists with controlling frizz and dandruff. So I lather that all over my scalp and roots. Then it's time to oil. I like using a growth oil, castor oil, and jojoba oil to seal in moisture. I typically go in with the growth oil first, followed by the castor oil, and then I top it off with the jojoba oil. And applying oils after a leave-in conditioner really helps your hair absorb and obtain moisture. I like to use the castor oil because it promotes hair growth while also thickening your hair shaft. And the jojoba oil assists with scalp health and frizz prevention. Controlling frizz on your protective styles can sometimes be a hassle, but it's so worth the effort, especially if you want to keep your locks looking fresh. Although I love when my locks start to look a bit old because it looks so much more natural, I hate when they start to look a bit too frizzy like this one. So I just take my scissors and snip away at the frizz, and once they start unraveling and becoming puffy like this bottom lock, I like to just do it over. This is the hair I like to use for my locks. It's one of the best in my opinion. But I just crochet it in like any other crochet style, and then I just wrap it until I reach my desired length. You don't want to wrap too tight because you want that natural, effortless look, and you don't want to wrap too loosely either because they will surely unravel much faster. So just find a good medium. And I like to touch up my new growth with the Extra Hold Shining Jam. I retwist the roots for a fresher, more rejuvenated look. So this is a major step in my maintenance routine. I don't know about y'all, but I hate walking around with long, wet, protective styles. So I have to wrap my hair in a plastic bag for every shower so that I keep them nice and dry. And once I'm ready for bed, I must wrap these locks, girl, because I refuse to defrizz my hair every single day. Wrapping your locks in a satin scarf helps to prevent frizz, and it also protects your natural hair from breakage. But it doesn't stop there. I like to wrap a larger scarf on top of my satin one because it keeps my locks from being all over the place while I sleep. So the second scarf is more so for comfort. And that's a wrap on my faux lock maintenance routine. These locks are just about a month old and I'm still in love with them. They look very natural and I'm making sure to keep them up so I can get a good wear out of them. And I hope you ladies are taking care of your protective styles just as I am because we spend so much time and money on these hairstyles. I had a great time sharing these tips with you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you beauties in my next video. Mwah.